On Tuesday, after the first Monday in November, every leap year, election to the presidential voters, electors takes place. Now we are in November month. And 2020 is leap year. What is leap year? So in the month of February, 29 days will be there. So 2020 divided by 4. So we get the some figure. Means there will not be any fraction or minor balance, etc. So presidential elections are for every 4 years. They selected leap years only. Okay. These electors meet in the capital of each state on the first Monday after second Wednesday in December and record their votes for presidential candidates. Means next month on Monday, these electors go to the capital city of each state and put their votes. Means in November month, people cast their vote. December month, these electors go to capital of each state and put their votes. And these votes will be counted in both the House of Congress in Washington, that is in January 2021, date 6th January, in joint session of both Houses of Congress in Washington. These ballot boxes sent from the states will be opened and votes are counted. So in this joint meeting, Senate President will be chairman. President of Senate will be the chairman. So just like in India, so our Venkaiah Naidu, chairman of Rajya Sabha. Similarly in Senate also, who is the chairman in America? Vice President of USA is chairman or president. So President Pence, so he is a chairman of Senate in America. So he will be holding this election process for ballot boxes in the month of January. So next, a party securing majority of votes is declared as elected. Since 1964 year, so there have been 538 electors. So how this 538 electors is calculated? 100 senators, 435 from House of Representatives. So that comes to 535. So 3 are from Washington, D.C. So like that, the majority mark is 538 member electoral college, and more than 50% means 270 winners. So Joseph Biden and Harris that is Kamala Harris, are scheduled to be the inaugurated as President and Vice President of USA on January 2021. So date January 20, year 2021. So next, the votes of the electoral college for President and Vice President are scheduled to be formally cast by President electors on December 14, next month. So actually for President Vice President, they put the votes and counted in January 6th, date 6th, counting 6th, vote taking January 20. Next, so recently to the House of Representatives who are re-elected, Ami Bera re-elected, to the House of Representatives like our Lok Sabha. So Pramila Jayapal also elected, Raja Krishnamurthy also elected, Ro Khanna also elected, and Kamala Harris is elected as Senate, she is elected to Senate. So if she becomes Vice President of USA, then she will be the Chairman or President of Senate. So very powerful post. And these 5 members are called as Samosa Caucus. Caucus means group. So caucus is called group. So samosa is a dish in India. That's why they gave this name. In American population, different races are there, ethnicity is there, like black, white, black, Hispanic, Asian races. Hispanic means people coming from Spain, Portugal, etc. From American Constitution, which thoughts or which themes in Indian Constitution we have adapted. From American Constitution, we have taken fundamental rights concept. Federation concept also we have taken from America. Supreme Court concept also we have taken from American Constitution. During British period, so we have United Provinces, Central Provinces, Chennai Province, like that we have, or Bombay Province, etc. After independence, so these provinces are called as states. So states is a term used in USA, United States of America. That term we have taken from American Constitution. So like this, so American elections, some background, and electoral college also we have the word we have taken from America, USA Constitution, but there in Indian electoral college, so we have so MLAs, MPs of both the houses of parliament, and MLAs of the states, they participate directly for casting the votes for President of India, except nominated candidates. But in the case of America, neither senators nor House of Representatives, they are participating. Only according to the strength, like that 538 number, they elect the electors, they only cast the vote. That is the only difference. Means the founders of American Constitution, they don't want to influence these elected members in the election of President of USA. American president election is indirect. It is people are not directly electing, only people's representatives who are called as electors, they are casting the votes. So like this, so American elections, background analysis, and in civil's paper, what are the questions asked? So from American Constitution, which are adapted for Indian Constitution? That is one question. So in total, we have not adapted, some changes we made. So in America, president is powerful, but such powers are not given. But in India, we have parliamentary form of government. Prime Minister has more powers. In America, Senate is more powerful, but in India, Lok Sabha is more powerful compared to Rajya Sabha. And so in America, every state has Supreme Court. In India, we have countrywide only one Supreme Court only. In the state, we call high courts. So fundamental rights, so almost they have guaranteed. So liberty, equality, fraternity, so justice. So these four thoughts are from French Revolution. They are followed in American Revolution and American Constitution. And we also took so that idea for Indian Constitution. Okay, so this is about USA president election. Still we have to wait. So how things change. So okay. Any questions? Hello.
Any questions,
Hello?
students? Any questions? You can unmute yourself and ask the questions, or put it in the chat box. Hello? Kirtana, Pankaj?
Yes.
Yashwini? I think so they have put up a question, sir. How many years can a person be president in USA?
2 terms. 4
Two
plus 4.
terms. 4 plus 4.
4 plus 4.
Yes.
4
Yes.
plus 4.
Yes, sir.
4 years.
Any other doubts?